Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Ang tagal ko bago nakapag-upload. Napaka-busy ko talaga this past few days na naman kasi I'm doing a plan for my upcoming business and my own brands. Siyempre, magbubukas ako ng workout shop ko, outfit shop. Like, you know, like clothing and workout equipment. And I'm gonna have my own brand. So, yeah, I'm finalizing everything, the packaging, the logo, the code and everything and so on. And syempre the shipping since it's from China. Anyway, guys, dumating na kahapon yung aking customized table. Actually, dapat last week pa to. Yung hinatid nila dito na customized table, which is a dual purpose for me. Kaya ako siya pina-customize kasi may specific lang kasi yung sukat. And also, dual purpose yung gusto ko. And yung binigay nila last time is hindi siya sakto yung sukat, malaki. So, kakain siya ng space anyway. So, I told them, no, we ordered a specific sukat and we like the quality. But ang problem lang is the length niya. So, without further ado, ipapakita ko na sa inyo. Charan! Here! So, wala pa lang akong chair, office chair. So, yung dining chair lang muna yung ginamit ko. Ito yung dining chair. And this is it. So, nakalagay na dyan sa bedside ko dito. Actually, guys, nakakatuwa kasi wala siyang baho. May konti lang yung amoy niya. Hindi unlike yung sa mga bagong furniture na, alam mo yun, yung ang tatapang ng mga amoy, lalo na yung mga chemicals. So, ito siya, wala siya gaanong amoy. Hindi rin siya totally match 100% dito sa kulay ng aming bed at saka ito. Tingnan niyo yung difference nilang dalawa. Pero, okay na kasi it's pure mahogany. And sabi kasi din ng gumawa nito, yung mahogany ng katagalan nagre-red pa siya. So, I don't know lang talaga about dyan. Pero, anyway, guys, and the price is awesome. Like, hindi siya ganun kamahal. And quality, as in, pure yung wood. Ang bigat-bigat niya. Kasi meron kami natanungan, 8,000 plywood yung gagamitin. So, I said no, we are looking for something na pure. And this cost only 7,000. Nakalaki niyo yun? 7,000 lang ito. Plus 1,500 kasi nag-add kami ng 1,500. Gawa nga ng malayo sila. They're from Balamban. And meron pa rin kami yung isang chair na nasira ni David. So, andun sa kanila, pinaayos namin. And yung una ko rin natanungan, pumunta pa siya dito. So, alam nyo guys kung magkano yung offer niya. He offered me 16,000. Like, wow! Literal na mapapawaw ka talaga. And hindi na. Ito masama sa 7,000. Nakalain mo yun. And papakita ko sa inyo yung loob actually. So, we're gonna show you. Ngayon kasi gumagawa ako ng ano eh. Actually, nanood lang din ako ng Legal Wives. And also, wow, ang ganda pa rin pala talaga guys kapag ganito mag-pictorial na ako ng makeup. Okay lang din pala yung background ko, diba? Ang taray. So, excited ulit. At syempre naman, diba? Okay, bigat niya guys. Sorry. So, ayan. So, ito siya guys. Nilagay ko na yung mga gamit ko. Yung aking mga makeup sets. And then dito is mga lipstick corner. And then ito is yung aking lustrous na. Maganda rin to siya guys. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo na lustrous na mirror. Syempre. And then may ring light din to siya. So, kapag alam mo yun, hindi ko na masyadong nagagamit pero dalahin ko to. Kasi, alam niyo na yun. And then, guys, what else? So, ito siya. Ito yung Dito ko nilagay yung mga medicine. Ginawa ko na lang siyang medicine. Ito, free ito sa BYS. May nakalagay pa dyan Park Soo-joon. Hindi ako hindi ako maka-Korean. Pero, ayan, maka-K-pop pala. Pero ayan yung mga gamot. May Salon Pass. May mga Decolgene. May mga Advil. And so on. And dito naman, ang nilagay ko dyan is, ayan, yung mga, yung mga hindi masyadong nagagamit. Meron pa ditong nipper, puller, Vicks, and especially here, my mini tape measure. Syempre, gamit na gamit ko rin yan. Kapag kami sinusukat, ito battery ng aking camera. Tapos dito is aking jewelry box. Ito, so mouse. Also, and then here, gamit ng aking camera, remote for my ring light, and this is here for the light din yan siya, and then this one is light too. So maganda to siya guys nga pala. Oh, diba? Ang taray! Wow! So picturean na lang natin guys, saglit, wait. Siguro guys, gagawa na lang ako ng vlog about dito. So, papakita ko sa inyo lahat yung mga brand and so on. And syempre dito, lang to, quick tour lang. Ito is yung mga brushes. Ito, sponge. Ang ganda ng cute nito guys, ang lambot. Syempre, ito sponge brushes there. Ayan, and so on. Here is mga foundation. Here yung mga maliliit-liit na mga, alam mo yun, yung mga cream, and it's here my cream, my BYS, and here is the eye palette, and highlight, and here is the loose powder. Ito is mga wire na, so mga wire na yan, and charan! So ang ganda-ganda ng quality niya guys, so diba, taray. So ito yung parang lang salamin, hindi ko pa narinisan salamin na yan, so I'm gonna clean that one. So charan! Kita nyo naman ako. Hi! So, ang ganda pala ng background. Charan! Tingnan nyo guys. Kitang-kita, diba? Yung background ng city na parang city light. So, hindi ko na pala actually kailangan ng plain background. Kasi even though I'm gonna do my makeup here, maganda rin yung aura ng aking background. Maganda rin yung postura ng background ko. Pasensya nyo na may nakasabit pa doon namin sinampay kasi nasira ko yung washer namin. And actually, washer and dryer yun, pero nasira ko siya kaya hindi na siya nagda-dry ng totally na as in tuyo paglabas. So medyo basa-basa or parang may umug-umug pa siya. Hindi ko alam kung anong Tagalog ba yung Bisaya, basta may umug-umug pa siya. And kasi nasampay muna namin dyan for few hours lang para matuyo talaga siya na dry. And syempre here may brushes, and then dyan ko nilalagay yung laptop ko. And here I have a coaster ba yan tawag dyan. So, yan. Kasi pag may water ako or coffee in the morning, kaninang umaga, so, nag-coffee ako dito. So, very peaceful siya. And, ang ganda mag-coffee and while looking to your business and while doing or drinking coffee. It's very good. And, yung smell niya, guys, sa loob talaga actually, aamoy mo kasi hindi naman siya talagang sumingaw ng ganun. Pero hindi siya matapang yung amoy niya. And I can really recommend their shop, or I might just put down the name of the shop where I ordered this one. They're from Balamban, Cebu, and you might check and order if you want a furniture to have a customized furniture for your house. I recommend their quality and a good price. Actually, yung pinaayos ka namin na chair, they only charge it for 700 pesos. And then, papalitan na nila yung talagang paan yun. And, so, hopefully, I can get my chair na. So, kitang-kita yung swimming pool dyan ng hotel. So that's the swimming pool of the Marco Polo Hotel. And here is, hindi ko alam kung kita ba, but you can see the hotel. Yeah, that's the hotel of Marco Polo there. So, anyway guys, napakatagal ko bago nakapag-upload ng vlog. So, maganda na yung aking background. I don't really need to do something on my background kasi okay naman so far. And that's it, I think, for my vlog. Hope to see you on my next vlog, guys. So, please lang, hold on lang kasi I'm gonna upload more on my vlog. And also, thank you for watching. I love you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell para every time na mayroon akong new upload, you'll always be updated. Bye, guys!